So when we look at the competitive landscape, the reason that we think that this is really interesting is if you look at the 3 fastest growing areas in mobile, media sharing is highlighted by companies like YouTube and Pinterest and Tumblr, messaging, whether that's just SMS or MMS messaging, video messaging like you see with Skype, or even the transient picture messaging you're seeing with new applications like Snapchat, and mobile social interaction, the kind of gaming stuff you see with Song Pop and Draw Something and Words with Friends that are all gone viral and all have millions and millions of users. Sprink really sits alone in the center of that, where we bring in elements of each of those different types of interactions, but do it in a unique and compelling way. So here's the key messages about what we're doing. A Sprink canvas can be public or private. You saw that in the demo. Each Sprink includes seamlessly integrated group text messaging, and text communication. We didn't show a lot of that, but in a more real-world scenario, social situation, text messaging is kind of the glue that keeps it all together. A Sprink can contain all types of media, and we showed examples of all of those. It can be shared live in real time with either an individual or a group, or it can be public and available to everyone. And a Sprink can either be a transient interaction that goes away, or it can be a persistent interaction that can be shared with existing social networks. Now, we have some challenges in being successful in our business. We have to capture a large audience. And when I say a large audience, I mean millions of users in order to be able to be successful in our business model. And in order to do that, what we've done is we've built into our application all of the key elements which make virality possible. And we've taken elements of other successful applications and made sure to incorporate them. Image enhancement and sharing like you see in Instagram, group messaging and collaboration like you see in GroupMe, rich multi-user interactivity like you see in Draw Something, a visually rich presentation like you see in Pinterest, and it's also suitable for adult interaction, which has really been the basis of growth for Tumblr. When I mean adult, I mean things that you may not necessarily want to share beyond just with the people that you're sharing with.